nerds, quirky individuals, eccentric individuals, and just individuals who fall outside the spectrum of what our proverbial term defined as normalism. So today's discussion is going to be centered around primarily mental disorder or mental diseases, specifically bipolar, because I find bipolar to be quite an intriguing mental phenomenon. Now, this lecture today wasn't actually centered around mental disorder. My initial objective was to come here and lecture about an algorithm. A couple months ago, I built an algorithm, which is a non-linear, unorthodox algorithm. Basically, I published 27 chapters on a set of computational inputs. These set of computational inputs was